Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming system updates and free disk space so installation won't stall. Sign in with your Microsoft account or use work credentials. This ties the license to your device. Once signed in, download the Microsoft 365 installer from your account portal and save it to a clear location like desktop. Run the installer as administrator to avoid permission errors. While installing, keep your internet connection steady. It fetches component updates. This minimizes later activation hassles and ensures apps install with the latest security fix. You proceed by running the installer and selecting typical for default apps or custom if you need only specific tools: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams. Once apps are installed, open settings inside any Office app to set language, auto-update frequency, and privacy options. This controls bandwidth and telemetry. Make sure to sign into each app so OneDrive and Outlook can sync immediately. Synchronization reduces duplicate files and email delays. After configuration, test opening a document and saving to OneDrive to confirm sync works. You finish by activating the license from account inside any Office app and confirm subscription status and registered devices to avoid activation limits. Turn on autosave and enable OneDrive backup for documents and desktop so versions and recovery work automatically. Once done, update Office via account update options to apply patches. If something breaks, like activation errors or sync conflicts, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. Check internet, then sign out and back in. That often clears cached credentials and resolves access errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.